If OneDrive is missing from your taskbar or not showing up in File Explorer on Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to fix it step by step. This is a very common issue, and it usually happens when OneDrive is not installed, not signed in properly, hidden in the system tray, or just needs a quick reset. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring OneDrive back where it belongs. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, press Windows +I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. This is where we'll check whether OneDrive is actually installed on your PC. Once Settings opens, go to Apps, then click Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Microsoft OneDrive. If OneDrive does not appear in the list, that means it may not be installed on your computer right now. In that case, you'll need to download it from the official Microsoft OneDrive download page and install it again. After installation, move on to the next step. If OneDrive is already installed, the next thing to do is open the Start menu and search for OneDrive. Click the OneDrive app when it appears, then sign in with the Microsoft account you use for syncing files. Sometimes OneDrive is installed, but it's not active because the account was signed out or the app never finished setting up. Signing in again usually restores the cloud icon in the taskbar and makes OneDrive reappear in File Explorer. Now look at the taskbar corner, especially the system tray area near the clock. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon there. If you don't see it right away, click the little arrow or the caret symbol to show hidden icons. In many cases, OneDrive is simply running in the background, but its icon is tucked away in the hidden tray. Once you find it, you can click it to confirm it's running correctly. Next, open File Explorer and check the left sidebar. Normally, OneDrive should appear there as its own section, usually near Quick Access and This PC. If it's visible now, then the problem is solved. But if OneDrive is still missing from File Explorer and the taskbar, we'll do the reset step, which often fixes stuck sync components and missing shortcuts. Press Windows +R to open the Run dialog box. In the Run field, paste this exact command, %local app data, /Microsoft, /OneDrive, /OneDrive.exe /reset, then press Enter. This tells OneDrive to reset its settings and rebuild the background connection. After you run it, wait about 2 minutes. During this time, the OneDrive icon may disappear and then come back, which is completely normal. After the wait, open OneDrive again from the Start menu. If needed, sign in once more and give it a moment to reconnect. In many cases, this alone brings the cloud icon back to the taskbar and restores the OneDrive entry in File Explorer. If it still does not show up, restart your PC. A full restart helps Windows reload the shell, the taskbar, and File Explorer integration, which often completes the fix. So to quickly recap, if OneDrive is missing from the taskbar or File Explorer in Windows 11, first check whether it's installed, then open and sign into OneDrive, look in the hidden system tray icons, run the reset command, and restart the PC if needed. These steps solve most OneDrive visibility issues without complicated troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you get OneDrive back, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 fixes, software tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.